Them all is stink and dirty, stink and dirty.
Hey, Emily, let me get a wine now, girl.
No, Mr. Man, you're not getting no wine from me.
Hey, Samantha, let me get a wine now.
No, honey, you're not getting no wine from me.
Hey, Kwan Quisha, you know we go way back. Let me get a wine now, girl.
Boy, go from here with your trusty self, eh?
Boy, fire burn all of you, boy. I know I should have never come to school, but I know, boy. Hey, family. I know the name of the song is Fast Wine, but your waist not supposed to be moving so fast. Go with the beat. Right. Now we talking. No, girl, no. Wait.
Hey, you're too rough. Hey, boy, you're whining on me too rough. Behave yourself. Let go, man.
Sorry, there, family. Don't touch me. Don't even touch me. Hey, Chelsea.
Nope. Don't Chelsea me at all. You have Jamaican in you. I don't want you whining on me.
Well, how about you, girl? Hold a little talkie inside this place, man. Hey.
Excuse, again, you. No, move from behind me, please.
Girl, how you getting on? So, I just come to wine on you.
No, don't come and whine on me. Move from behind me.
Oh, good. Oh, yeah, man, get Blanca wine. Boy, they want some Blanca wine.
Drinking it.
Hey, girl.
Hey.
Yes.
I can get a wine?
Yeah, no problem. Hey, oh, look at me. I want you to come and fight, girl, right?
Hey, you get through.
Hey, Ollie, don't forget to tag our friend and share, right? I go on there, I go in and handle my scene with the smallie.
Just hold them and walk them.
Oh, girl, you have pace in your waist, girl.
Hold them and walk them. Just hold them and walk them.